Use these sound effects to make your videos go from "Oh" to "Hi." Welcome to the episode 1 of Things I Know About Content Creation since 4 years now. Use whoosh whenever you want to change the background or you want to show the transition. Next is the keyboard typing. It is actually my personal favorite, and this mouse click. It's very simple and appealing also. Use this one whenever you are trying to make an impact, tell something controversial, and place them exactly when it is needed, just like I did in the video. Easy peasy.